Hi everyone, this is Panos from NetBeez, and today I will be giving you a short demo focused mostly on the wireless capabilities of NetBeez. So you can see my dashboard here, and I'm going to start by giving you in a nutshell what NetBeez does. So NetBeez is an end-user monitoring tool, and it works by deploying sensors, or as we call them, agents, around your network. You can think about the agents as thermostats that make sure, the same way thermostat makes sure users in a room, people in a room are comfortable. The NetBeez sensors make sure that users, specific location in your network, have the experience, the network experience they're supposed to have. So you can see here on our dashboard, we have several different kinds of agents to cover all corners of your network. We have wired agents, denoted with a plug, cloud agents that can sit on AWS, Google, Azure, or whatever cloud environment you use. Also virtual agents that can be installed in your data center. And of course, wireless agents. And from this high-level view here, you can see that your agents, what tests they are running. So continuously they're running these ping, DNS, HTTP traceroute tests towards different resources, application services that your users at specific location care about. We have agents here you can see in New York, in Jersey City, in Pittsburgh. And since the focus of this demo is the wireless agents, let's take a look at this wireless agent that sits in our office in Pittsburgh. As you can see, it's connected to this wireless network here, NetBeez 5G. So our agents support 802.11ac, of course. And actually, this agent has also connected its wired interface. So, and why is that? That's because we use the wired interface to communicate with the dashboard and the server, the NetBeez server. So we use that interface, the more reliable wired interface, right, to send data back to the server and the dashboard and receive commands and tests to run. And then, of course, the wireless interface is used to run all these tests. So in a nutshell, we run all these active monitoring tests, and we can see here, for example, we're monitoring Google, Salesforce, a number of DNS servers, Gmail, Reddit, and so on and so forth. So in general, you try to capture what your users need at a specific site. And here you get the real-time results of how things look like, for example, in our office in Pittsburgh here, and as well as getting historical information. So I can go back in time and see what happened last night, that an issue might have come up, or go back to weeks, days, even years, depending on how much data you want to keep. Of course, we use all this data to build statistics and capture this user performance with different metrics. And since this is a wireless agent, let's look in a little bit more detail what aspects of the wireless part this agent also captures and monitors. So you can see here that we have information about the data transmitted over the wireless interface, the TX and RX rate. What is the link quality that the agent experiences, signal strength, bit rate, channel, and BSSID. And just to emphasize here that this information, again, is from the user perspective, not from the access point perspective, where you can get similar information, but it's from where the user sits in a big auditorium and of the hallway. And again, for all this information, we have historical. You know very well that when you receive an issue about a wireless location, let's say, right? And you go and take a look, by the time you go there, things might have changed, or quote unquote, things might have been resolved by themselves without you doing anything. And you don't know what happened exactly at the time that somebody had an issue. So now you can go roll back the time and go and browse the historical and see what was the situation of the environment at the user's location and the agent's location at the time you had an issue. So now, in addition, you can do a scan around the agent. You can see what SIDs are being broadcasted from what BSSIDs, in what channel, signal strength, and so on and so forth. A very useful information if you are looking to see if there's anything, any rogue access points that shouldn't be there, or you have interference from source that you didn't expect or you shouldn't have. You can see here the list of these of the SIDs and all the other information this agent has captured. The last point I'm going to make is about the authentication method supported by this agent. I'm going to jump to the NetBeez settings to show you really quickly that we support all authentication methods. For example, if I want to create a new wireless profile for this agent, you can see here we support, of course, the WPA to all enterprise methods that are available, but also, of course, pre-shared key, WAP, and open, of course, networks. So they're built for, NetBeez agents are built for enterprise environments as well as home environments. We have many customers that use them, for example, to help them monitor what is user experience for employees working from home, because it's difficult to support them if something comes up. So they have a NetBeez agent, NetBeez sensor there to get more visibility at where the user exactly is. So again, in a nutshell, think about the NetBeez wireless agents as sensors around your network that help you capture what the user does and what's their experience at any given time. And with that, I'm done with the points I want to make for this demo. If you have any questions or comments, I'd love to see them in the comment section on Facebook or YouTube, and I'll make sure to follow up and answer your questions. Thank you so much. Bye.